We're going to show you how to set the combination on these steel combination locks. On our cases, you'll notice that we have two different style locks. We have one here, which is the latch is on the right, and then we have one here where the latch is on the left. Both of these locks follow the same directions while setting the lock. The first thing you'll need to do is open the lock, and then once you open the lock, you need to remove these red tabs. The factory setting here is a 000. And one thing to note is, notice that there's a metal tab or mechanism inside here. And when you slide the button to open the lock, that disappears. That's very important in knowing if you set the combination correctly. So, you'll need to hold the button in towards the latch and hold it there and set the combination. Make sure that the tumbler's fully seat. So here I am setting the combination to 111. I release the button and then the lock is set. Notice the mechanism disappearing for the lock to function. The lock closes. We're testing. Make sure we're set. And that's it. Another thing to note is when you open your lock and you access your firearm inside our case, and just say that the combination is off. So we had the combination set to 111, but here it says 113. Our locks will not close. So what you'll need to do is set it back to the combination in order to use the lock and close the case. Then at that time, you can set the combination and the lock functions properly. Now you know how to set your locks on a Negrini case. Thanks for watching.